That's my birthday gift, huh? Nwunye ga-azụrụ gị moto. Huh? Brand new, 0 miles, huh? 4 times 4. From my wife to me, huh? It's my birthday in 2 weeks, huh? My baby said, enjoy some Nemo. So I got new fresh pilot vehicle for my wife, huh? Rich says, huh? Thank you so much, baby. I'm on a motor be this one, and this one now I'm gonna flex. Like this now. You don't choke.
Official.
Come
From me now, just snare doors.
here. Brother-in-law. Oh, your fresh new.
Mint.
Let us see.
Sierra 00 mile.
I better open the bonnet. Sure. Thank you so much to my amazing, beautiful wife, the angel. Huh? I'm so happy. Oh, what are you? For my people, huh? For my pilot, Lee. Thank you, dude.
How would you be lost?
Chuck.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
Like, it's painful to know that we
Everything
were just
leads.
once one raving moment guy, and all of a sudden he went to be found.
Yeah, and it didn't really stay for long.
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
But that's no fun.
Right. He had his click then though. Like there's certain
Sure.
set of persons he was, blowing with at the time.
Yeah.
Sure.
Basically. But there are some people that even though though they
The
don't
one
know
allowed
the
you.
music per se, you still hear about that. They're still covering that in some places in some way.
But it's just all
Tell you.
because of the radar, like.